can you tell if it was already sent?
Oh no, but this is the new match.
What do you mean? No, this. Oh,
Yeah.
got you. Thank you. It's the next one.
Yeah, it's
okay.
the next one.
Okay, so yeah. Okay. So they're not here yet, right? So they called them. Should I put the clock? 5 minutes?
Yeah.
Oh wait, I didn't call them. I just sent the message.
Oh.
Yeah, but it's on 20. I don't want to go to 21.
Oh, but the clock is on.
Yeah, I know, but I would have to put it on.
Oh, just reset it there.
Yeah. What about Elijah and Martin?
Elijah?
What do you call those two? Elijah's from art at Frisco, and Martin's from those two. Elijah. Can I keep this here for a little bit? Oh, there's a guy from Artisco. I need. Is your guy here?
Yeah, we're the next one.
But if both of you guys are here, we will start because the ones for the 20 are not here.
What time?
The people for 20 aren't here, so if both of these people are here, we can start with that one. Elijah and Martin.
I don't know who Martin is.
But Elijah's here?
Yeah, Elijah's here. I don't know.
Who's up right now? Are you Martin? It's Isaiah and Jocelyn. Martin Wilkie from Haver. We have one of the guys for the next match.
We have one?
One.
Who do we need? Mike?
From the next one, and oh shoot, it didn't send it. Hold on. For Jocelyn and Isaiah and Elijah, Lucero and Martin. Okay, so you're here, and where's Jocelyn? For your opponent, I'm looking for your opponent. Yeah. It's Red Nose.
The red nose.
Is it right now? It's supposed to be, but I can't find your opponent.
You guys have someone that's announcing that?
Yeah, I already sent it so they could, yeah.
So are we gonna bump that?
Well, I don't have the other opponent for the match after that either.
Oh.
So I'm having them paged.
Okay. Thank you.
I'm trying. But both of them aren't here. So I had all these people paged, but what about Joshua and Caleb? Are they here?
Joshua is here.
If they want to start, we can start. Joshua's here?
I just saw Caleb.
I'm about 22, right?
Joshua's here. Is Caleb here? Yeah, we can start. The other two matches aren't here. I don't know if you guys want to start. It's up to your coach. It's up to your coach if you want to
What
start.
did they tell you? They didn't answer you back?
They never answer you back. I just hear the. So I need. What team are you with? We need Jocelyn. We need the opponent. But then I don't have these people on the next one, so I might go to this match right here. Because I don't have an opponent for each of these matches. I only have one wrestler for each of those matches. So is Caleb here? Let's just have Caleb and. They did? I can't. They never tell me. I just have to hear it. I don't always hear it.
We have Lucero here, no?
Just beat you, right?
I have these two right here. Hey, are is it Caleb? You're Caleb?
Yeah.
You're Caleb? Can you get a coach to start? Because the matches before you, the opponents are here. Both of these opponents are here for the for a match. Yeah. I think so. Well, they need coaches. They're getting coaches because the wrestlers are here, but we'll go back.
We're jumping to 22.
We'll jump to 22 if they can get coaches. Because the wrestlers are here, but we don't have coaches. They must have done a change to that bracket.
Because he actually beat Isaiah, so he should. Right here is 21. That's my weight.
What coach is the one that we were missing?
Jocelyn for 20. It has Jocelyn for 20. This is 15 and one of mine though. Is that? Yeah, it is. They must have updated. They must have changed the bracket.
21 are here.
Because that's what that's telling me. I'm just going by this. You see? You might want to ask them because I just go by this.
So if you want to do that, you want to go ahead and skip to 21?
Well, I do.
Both of them for
Okay,
20?
so 20 and 21, I'm missing an opponent on each one.
21 are here.
21 are here.
Okay, we can start then.
Yeah.
Okay.